Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. I am very happy to see you here today, and in this video today I would love to show you how you could easily clean the brush for the dry brushing massage. This is a very popular question I have received, so I just decided that I need to show you how you could do this. Well, the reason you do need to clean your brush, which is very important because as much, as so much dead skin cells slough off while dry brushing, and it works its way into the brushel bristles. Imagine, how much they really accumulate in there. So it's very important to keep it dry so your skin on your body doesn't become, full of bacteria and you don't develop body acne. So this is it, and even as you can see probably in the camera, some of them, see, it goes right in there. Maybe looks like disgusting stuff, but this is it, real life. This is the way your dry brush will look like. So first thing you need to remember, and what that's really important, is that wood and water are not real friends. So if you want to prolong, the shelf life of your brush, the wood brush, you need to be very careful with that. So the brush I have here, it's very convenient in this particular matter because it has that plastic in here, so I don't really need to be very careful. But I will also give you options, let's say if you have a different kind of brush. So let's begin. First of all, after each dry brush, I strongly recommend to really spritz the bristles with either some organic tea tree spray or the one you can easily prepare on your own. It could be tea tree spray, or as in this particular spray, you can check out the video where I am making it. It has four different oils like eucalyptus, lemon, tea tree, and lavender. You could really experiment and add peppermint or whatever your favorite scent is. Could be geranium, cinnamon, clove, essential oil, because they all have disinfectant properties. So this is really a great spray to use. So once you have your dry brush session, you just take the brush and spray it all over, and then you would need to just hang it so it could dry naturally in the air. But it's very important also to do a thorough cleaning for your brush. So a thorough cleansing could be achieved by having some hot water in a bowl and then some soap. I'm using Pure Castile soap, actually the baby unscented version in here by Dr. Bronner's. That's my favorite. You could add about, I'd say a tablespoon. You don't have to be precise. You just need to make sure that you have soapy water in there. And let me just mix it up. See, it becomes foamy. So this is what you need. I would also add essential oils in here, definitely, and I would opt for tea tree oil because that's my favorite. Even as you can see, I have it in large size because that's the one I'm using most often. As far as the amount, I would say 3 to 5 drops would be enough. And then I would give it a good soak. Just not, try to wash it, you need to really soak it. So now, if you don't have any plastic and your bristles are directly in contact with the wood, I would recommend you to to fill up the water exactly so the bristles don't really get soaked all the way. This is how it looks like. I had to fill up the water almost until the end because I have kind of like rather deep bowl here. If you have a shallow one, that's going to be even easier. So as you see, the bristles are not soaked all the way, just the ends, and this will definitely help you to prevent any damage to the wood. So it's alright if you get a little, like this part. And now I would soak it for 10 or 15 minutes. If you forget about it for 20 minutes or 25 minutes, that is not really a big deal. So once it's soaked for some time, you could just move it around, to make sure any dead skin cells are left in the water, like that. So if you have the handle removable, that would be handy, but I don't, but that's really not a problem. So now you'd get a towel. Not over the sink, but you would need to shake off all the excess water, maybe, just do a good job. So let me move a little the water. And now you don't really need to press hard, just make sure you get the excess water. You could change and get another towel or so, and then once the towel is all wet, you change it, get a new one, and then you'll leave it like that so it dries. And then once it's almost like no water in here, let's say here again I have this plastic so I don't have to worry, I can just hang it and it will dry naturally. If you have dry brush for your face, usually the bristles are very soft, so I won't recommend you to leave them, you know, face down, because they might really like not have their shape saved in this case. And this is it. And in the end, just let me talk briefly about the cleaning schedule guide. Let's say if you dry brush daily, it is best to clean your brush once a week. I mean the deep cleaning, but the spray you do every time you have a massage. If you dry brush every third or third day, it's best to clean your brush like once a fortnight. And if you only dry brush once a week, you should definitely start dry brushing more. But in this case, you could just clean your brush once a month. So that really is going to work for your brush, and you will also keep your bristles intact, sort of prolong the integrity of your wooden brush, and enjoy your dry brushing massage without any disadvantages to your skin. I hope you guys liked this video. It was informative in my opinion, and don't forget to check the recipe for this natural non-toxic cleaner. It might also be using for various cleaning purposes out there. It's not toxic, and it smells amazing with the essential oils. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your support and attention. I wish you to stay very happy and very healthy, and I am very excited to see you in my next video.